western County, northwest Ohio, Logan County, Ohio, County, Ohio, until p.m. At 4:04 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Churubusco to 7 miles northwest of Ossian to Montpelier and moving east at 75 miles per hour. Hazard: 50 miles per hour wind gusts and 35 hail. Source: radar indicated impact. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and buildings. Severe thunderstorms moved around 15 p.m. Around 4:20. Expected around 4:25 p.m. Halting and damage. Other locations in the warning include domestic, Craigville, Veracruz, Williams, Madley, Link Grove, Carreville, and Middletown. Tornado watch remains in effect for the Warren area. Tornado likely from severe thunderstorms. Although one is not immediately likely, if a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a building or a room. For your protection, move to the interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued in 45 counties in Indiana, Allen and Wells, counties in Ohio, Defiance, and Word.